Happy New Year, everyone! We are just days away from one of the most exciting tech events of the year, CES 2025. Nvidia is gearing up for a keynote presentation that has the tech world buzzing with rumors. And, if the speculation is accurate, this event could be bullish for Nvidia while potentially spelling trouble for competitors like AMD and Intel. In today's episode, we'll dive into what CES is all about, revisit some of the key announcements from CES 2024, and explore the rumors surrounding Nvidia's 2025 showcase. Plus, I'll explain why this event might have ripple effects across the semiconductor industry. Let's get started. First things first, what is CES? CES, short for Consumer Electronics Show, is a massive annual trade show dedicated to showcasing the latest innovations in consumer technology. This is where companies reveal products aimed at everyday consumers like laptops, TVs, and gaming peripherals. For Nvidia, this means we'll likely see announcements focused on their consumer GPUs, laptops, and perhaps some cutting-edge software applications. Remember last year? Nvidia introduced updated versions of their RTX 4000 series, with the RTX 4080 Super and RTX 4070 Super taking center stage. They also highlighted AI integrations with Adobe, streaming optimizations, and their growing focus on robotics. It was an impressive showcase, but this year might bring even bigger surprises. This year, Jensen Huang himself is taking the stage at CES on January 6th at 9:30 a.m. EST. That alone raises expectations. Typically, Nvidia reserves their CEO's appearances for major announcements, so the question is, what's in store? One rumor making waves is that Nvidia might unveil a CPU for the consumer market. Now, Nvidia already has a CPU for data centers, the Grace CPU, designed to handle AI workloads. If this rumor pans out, it could signal a major move into the broader CPU market, targeting high-margin segments like gaming, content creation, and machine learning. Imagine the potential: a laptop with Nvidia's CPU and GPU working in perfect harmony to deliver unmatched performance for gamers, video editors, and data scientists. Nvidia's entry into the CPU market could redefine what's possible in terms of speed, efficiency, and integration. Here's why this move makes sense. Nvidia's GPUs are already market leaders, but their performance might be bottlenecked by traditional x86 CPUs. By designing their own CPU, Nvidia can eliminate these inefficiencies, ensuring their GPUs operate at full potential. Two specific markets come to mind: engineering and AI workloads. For professionals running machine learning models locally, a seamless Nvidia CPU-GPU combo could drastically speed up workflows. Gaming and content creation. Gamers and creators would benefit from unparalleled performance and power efficiency, making Nvidia the go-to brand for high-performance laptops. This isn't about competing on price with AMD or Intel in the broader CPU market. Instead, Nvidia would focus on high-margin segments where performance and efficiency matter most. If Nvidia does enter the consumer CPU market, it could have far-reaching consequences. For AMD and Intel, increased competition from Nvidia would pressure their already competitive CPU businesses. On the flip side, ARM could benefit significantly. Nvidia's CPU would almost certainly be based on ARM architecture, opening up new opportunities for ARM to collect royalties, a win for ARM shareholders. Beyond CPUs, Nvidia is likely to spotlight their advancements in robotics. Last year, they teased how their GPUs could power robots in industrial, medical, and consumer spaces. With 2025 being called the Year of Robotics, Nvidia could reveal partnerships or new technologies that push this sector forward, and of course there's the much-anticipated RTX 5000 series. While it's a given that Nvidia will refresh their GPU lineup, it's the potential CPU announcement that could steal the show. What does this mean for investors? For investors, CES often brings short-term volatility. Stocks like Nvidia tend to rise on pre-event hype, only to pull back after the event as expectations reset. However, if the CPU rumor is true, it could justify a long-term bullish outlook for Nvidia, and create headwinds for competitors like AMD and Intel. So, should you buy, hold, or sell ahead of CES? For long-term investors, this is just noise. Focus on the fundamentals and Nvidia's ability to execute on its growth opportunities. That's it for today's episode. Are you excited for Nvidia's CES keynote? Do you think the CPU rumor will turn out to be true? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Until the next one, stay safe.